Hello, in front of me I've got 70Mai dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to front windshield. In order to connect it to front windshield, make sure to install this attachment firstly. Now remove this plastic fiber. Here we've got the glued surface. Now clean your front windshield and next you have to attach this plastic fiber to the front windshield. Once it's done, stick your camera to the front windshield like this. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.